Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Globein for January. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Globein just arrived. This is for January 2021. They do send me this for review. So thank you so much, Globein, for sending me your box to review. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, I'm reaching for my knife. Hold on. I'm trying to, so I can open this box. We're going to go ahead and see what's inside of here. Now with Globein, normally they have different themes that you can choose from. And I didn't get to choose a theme the last few boxes, so I have no clue what in the world this is going to be. So we're gonna find out right now. So when you first open it up, their boxes are all different sizes based on what's all inside. So this is a smaller box, and here is some paperwork on top. Where is their pamphlet? Let me see. Okay, so I do not see their actual brochure. Maybe they're not doing it anymore, because now it's just like this little piece of paper that says color your world. And I don't know if that's what all this is, but I guess it would make sense on this little basket. And on the back it says, to get more details about your box, scan the QR code or go to globein.com/melt/box. I try to get the information after filming so I could put it in the video while editing, but scanning the QR code or putting in the direct website, neither one of them went to anything, so sorry. It says you can go there to find out, and then it says like stories. So I don't know if like everything is from India this month. I'm really confused. This is the first time I've seen this little card, and I got two of them. So this is going to be a little bit odd, like it's like blindsided, showing you things that I don't know what in the world I'm even showing you. So, let's try to figure this out. So there's a basket, and here is some tea light candles. There's a set of 3. It says set of 3 made in India. And this is a basket. So you have a basket, you have some tea light candles. Let's see what in the world is inside of here. Oh, these are like skewers. So they're like wooden handles, and are they all different colors? There's 2 pink, there's 1 blue, 1 yellow, 1 green, and 1 white. There's those 2 pink? Yeah, those are 2 pink. Yeah, the color pinks are slightly different maybe, I'm not sure. But they all look like this, and they have these little pokey things on the ends. That's how all of them are. So here's all of them, and there are all of the different colors. Let's see what's inside of here. So down in here, it looks like this is where you're going to put like one of the tea light candles. And what is in here? Okay, so what was down inside there is like this, I'm gonna call it a terracotta pot. Excuse me if I'm wrong, but I don't have any information. So I can only show you what is in my box. So I'm going to assume maybe it goes, where was that one picture again? Was that what was on here? Yeah, okay, so that is what you do. And then you can burn the tea light candle. It keeps whatever you have in here warm, and you can use these to poke your stuff in there. So that is what you have for this month. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I would not choose this one if it was for me, only because I've never been a fondant type of person. To me, I just feel like having something sitting out constantly being reheated is just not a good concept. But that's just, like I said, that's just me personally. If you had kids and they wanted to sit there and, you know, play with it, that would be one thing. But me personally, I wouldn't have chose this one for my own subscription. But this is what they chose to send me. So there you go. You can see one of the variations for this month. You can put your little tea light candle. They give you 3, but any tea light will do. Once you use those, you can just replace it with any tea light candle. And then you have, what do you have, 6 skewers and a basket that you can use for anything. You don't have to use it for bread. You can use it for anything. And that is what is for this month, you guys. I don't know if they're gonna go back to the pamphlets or if this is a new thing. I'm not quite sure, but that is what I have to show you for this Globein box, you guys. So I will have everything linked down below if you would like to check them out. They did give me a code, which is SheCrafty. That'll get you 50% off your very first box if you buy a 3-month subscription or higher prepaid plan. So if you choose a 3-month subscription, you get your very first box 50% off. I believe the first box is free shipping, but then they charge shipping after that, or that's how it was when I originally had signed up many years ago when I had this. But the box is $40 per month if you just do month to month. If you do a 3-month subscription, it brings it to $38. If you do a 6-month subscription, it brings it to $35. And if you go all the way to a 12-month subscription, it brings that box per box price down to $33 per box. Shipping is an addition. Their mission is to deliver joy by empowering and connecting remote artisans to mindful customers. We empower remarkable artisans in remote areas with the tools to build sustainable businesses. Providing connection and guidance, we help our partners feel stronger, more confident, and in control of their lives through the expression of their craft. As servant leaders, we improve the lives of our artisans so they can take great care of themselves, their families, and their communities. I really love Globein. I love what they stand for. I love getting these really neat items that you would have never known were out there. I've had beautiful, beautiful pieces that I am still enjoying in my kitchen, in my living room, in my enclosure. Like, probably almost, and there's even some stuff in my bedroom. There's probably some little bit of Globein throughout my entire house. I really, really love their glassware. The hand-blown glasses are just stunning. And I'm super, super glad that I have everything that I do have. Again, this wouldn't be my choice. I would have probably chose something else, but at least this does show you guys a different variation of a different type of box that they have to offer, which this one is the melt box. So you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? What do you think of Globein in general? Have you ever tried them? Do you want to? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.